Could the future of medicine be as simple as hitting print? What if, instead of waiting for organ transplants, we could just create them on demand? Welcome to the world of bioprinting, a revolutionary technology that's reshaping the face of medical science. Bioprinting, in its simplest form, is the process of creating living tissue using 3D printing technology. But instead of plastic or metal, the raw materials are living cells, proteins, and nutrients. This isn't some flight of fancy or a concept from a science fiction novel. Bioprinting is happening here and now, and it's making waves in the field of medicine. The journey of bioprinting began in the early 21st century, but it wasn't until 2020 that the first fully functional bioprinted human organ, a mini liver, was created. Scientists used a patient's own cells, reducing the risk of rejection once transplanted. This breakthrough marked a significant milestone in the history of bioprinting, promising a future where organ shortages could become a thing of the past. Fast forward to 2024, and the field of bioprinting has exploded. Researchers are now able to bioprint more complex structures, such as kidney tissues and heart valves. Moreover, they are not just creating individual organs, but also intricate systems of organs known as organoids. These organoids mimic the functions of their full-sized counterparts, offering an unprecedented opportunity to study diseases and test drugs in a realistic, yet controlled environment. But the potential of bioprinting extends far beyond the medical lab. Picture a world where soldiers carry portable bioprinters to the battlefield, creating bandages and skin grafts on demand. Imagine a time when astronauts can print fresh food or even replacement body parts during long space missions. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. The impact of bioprinting on medicine and society is immense. For patients waiting for organ transplants, bioprinting could mean the difference between life and death. For scientists, it offers a new way to study diseases and develop treatments. For all of us, it promises a future where the limitations of the human body are not as insurmountable as they once seemed. However, like any powerful technology, bioprinting comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. Questions about regulation, accessibility, and the potential for misuse loom large. As we move forward, it's essential that we navigate these issues with care, ensuring that the benefits of bioprinting are accessible to all without compromising our values or the integrity of our society. Bioprinting is more than just a scientific breakthrough. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a glimpse into a future where the lines between biology and technology blur. It's a world where we don't just use machines to heal our bodies, but also to enhance, to explore, and to understand them in ways we never thought possible. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready for the bioprinting revolution? There's no turning back now. The future of medicine, it seems, is just a print button away.